I'm going to try a more complicated question this time, and I'm going to give you a solution that is just one of a number of ways that this can be done. So it's down to you and how you're helping your children as to which method you use. So this is just basically a range of ideas. So this question, as I said, a bit more difficult. 368 doubled, which is 368 multiplied by 2. So let's start with the top of the cherry diagram, 368. Now, as you know, I want to multiply this by 2, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply components of that number by 2 and then add the components back together. So it seems obvious that this one is going to go into 3 parts, 360 and 8. Now from here, I could just multiply each of these by 2 and then the end components, bring them back together for the final answer. But I'm going to do something a little bit different just to demonstrate that this was really open to whatever method you want to follow. I'm going to say, well, 300 multiplied by 2, I think I could do that. 60 multiplied by 2 could be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to leave the 300, as I said, because I think I can do it. The 60, I think I'm going to split that up into 50 and 10. And in my 8, I'm quite happy to leave 8 as it is as well. Now that I've got the breakdown of numbers that I think I can easily multiply by 2, I'm going to do that multiplication by 2. Notice I've got 4 numbers now, but it doesn't matter. Whatever you need to do to make life easy for yourself, and most importantly, so that you can understand what you're doing. Times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. So 300 times 2 is 600. 50 times 2 is 100. That's why I chose it, because I knew it would be easy. 10 times 2 is 20. And 8 times 2 is 16. Now, I just need to add these 4 numbers together. So 600 plus 100 is 700. Plus 20 is 720. And plus 16, well, I could do plus 10, which gives me 730, and then plus the 6, which is 736. So all these guys come together as 736. And hopefully, if you check that on the calculator, it's correct.